Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to tally hours in Google Sheets, a super useful skill whether you're tracking your own work hours, helping manage a small business, or just keeping an organized log for your team. At the end of this video, you'll know not only how to calculate total hours automatically, but also how to set up your sheets so you can quickly and reliably review work hours, break times, and more. If you've ever wasted time adding up times by hand or worried about making mistakes on a calculator, trust me, this is going to make your life so much easier. Alright, let's jump in. If you're already signed into Gmail, you're actually just a couple clicks away from Google Sheets. Up at the top right corner of your screen, look for that little square grid made up of 9 dots. That's your shortcut to all the Google Workspace apps. Go ahead and click those 9 dots and then select Google Sheets from the menu. If it's not near the top, you might need to scroll a little, but don't worry, it's there. For the sake of this tutorial, I've gone ahead and set up a sample spreadsheet so we don't have to waste any time typing data out. Here, what our sheet looks like. A table with columns for date, employee name, time in, time out, break-in hours, and finally, total hours. This layout works really well for most workplaces, but you can always adjust the columns to fit your needs. Now here, where the real magic happens, calculating those total hours automatically. Let's break down the formula, and I'll explain why each part matters so that you're not just copying and pasting, but really understanding what's going on. In the total hours column, we'll use this formula. Equals round, time value D2, time value C2, 24E2, 2. Let's take that step by step. C2 is the cell with the time in, D2 is time out, and E2 is the break in hours. The function TIMEVALUE is super helpful. It converts your time in and time out entries into a format that Google Sheets can calculate with. So when we subtract time value C2 from time value D2, we're finding out exactly how many hours were spent at work from sign in to sign out. But you'll notice multiplication by 24 in the middle of this formula. Here, why, by default, Google Sheets deals with times as fractions of a 24-hour day. So to turn those fractions into real-world hours, we multiply by 24. After that, we need to subtract the break time. Maybe your team takes a half-hour lunch, or maybe it's a full hour. That's what the E2 part is for. Finally, let's talk about the round function. Adding round, 2 means your answer is rounded to 2 decimal places. That keeps your sheet nice and tidy, no endless string of decimals, just a clean total like 7.5 hours or 8.75 hours. Quick tip here, don't worry if your formula doesn't work at first, double check any missing parentheses or cell references. Little typos can trip up anyone. Once you've got that formula into one row, you can simply click and drag it down to fill the rest of the column for all your employees or days. Now, instead of crunching numbers one by one, your totals are done instantly. And that's it, the easiest way to tally hours in Google Sheets. If this helped you save time or avoid math headaches, make sure to give this video a like. If you have any questions or want to see more time tracking tips, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.